So it's not a sunny day out, but I needed to make a video about this knife because it's actually going. So this is a Spartan Harsey or Hersey, and this is an S45 VN steel one. And this is a special joiner die edition. Has all the states that were involved in that Confederate War years ago. And there's the snake. Need to refresh my history on this, but this is one heck of a knife. Not based on the design, like of the designs on it, but it's actually just based on how it feels. So this knife, it's a user. What I was using it with is I was using it as a carry in the bush because it's got a 4-inch blade. Really good. Like, it feels like it can do a lot of things. It's the funny thing is it's reverse flick. Like, if you can push, that you can just like, oh crap, not really trying. Okay, I'll try now. Crap. There we go. Okay. This knife is one of the best folding knives I've ever used. Keyword use. I know some knives feel better, and some knives they just like, they're good for this and that. But this knife is a great user. Like, it feels substantial. There's a lot of grip in your hand. Like, there's a lot of titanium here. If you're ever wondering about these locks with no steel lock bars, it's not coming undone. I mean, look. It's when you're gripping it, your hand is here, so it's going to keep that lock. I mean, if you're using it like a normal knife, it'll serve you well. Here's the blade looks, by the way. So after a year of use, I'm still on the factory edge because all I did was cut wood with it. So, wood and food. I mean, it's a backup knife. Your fixed blade does all the work. Right, there's how the tip looks. That is a stout tip. I mean, as a comparison, here's a Chris Reeves in Cosi. There's a lot of tip there. It's pretty good. Here's the size difference in Cosi to the, like, there's a, as you can see, there's a bit of a handle and a blade length difference. So this is a big boy knife. If you're ever on the fence about getting a large Spartan Harsey, don't. It will serve you well. It comes with phosphor bronze washers that are oversized, and the screw part of this pivot's massive. And there's other designs out there. I really like this one, but this knife had to be sold because, honestly, like, fixed blades are just better used for me. This knife's huge. It's only good for taking on hikes. This is something I'd rather just use more, just because it's smaller and lighter. But yeah, like, you know, like, I'm not a rich person. I need to allocate my funds where I need it, and what I would rather have is a large fixed blade for bush use. But this knife is phenomenal. Maybe I should have just sold the other knife and kept this, but this is a pocket sword. Oh, it's so buttery smooth. Just feels... If you're a lefty, it's okay. This still works. Like, here's the right hand. Worth it. One of the most worth it knives ever. just for all sorts of things. I mean, don't hesitate if you get a chance to buy one of these, because the secondary market right now, they're pretty darn good price compared to brand new.